Introduce features interest for 11 XIGETRAIL dual dash cam front 4K and rear 1080p dash camera for cars. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 11 XIGETRAIL 4K dual dash cam can simultaneously record videos at front 4K and rear 1080p, clearly capture license plates, road signs, and vehicles around the car, which provide sufficient evidence if needed. When the engine is turned on, the dash camera will automatically record and your car will always be protected. Equipped with the built-in GPS module, the dash cam front and rear will accurately records your driving time, position, and speed, which can be viewed through a customized GPS player on PC. It is essential for roadside assistance and insurance claims if an accident occurs. Please follow the instructions in the package to download the GPS player. Adopted f/1.8 aperture and WDR technology, the car dash cam can adjust the exposure to create balanced image and footage in low light conditions. The 170 degrees front viewing angle and 140 degrees rear viewing angle reduces the blind spots and captures more details to ensure a safe distance between the front and rear vehicles, keep away from the accidents. When your car is in reverse gear, the backup camera will display the rear view with the guideline to assist you to park safely. This function is activated by connecting the red wire to the positive lead of the reversing lamp. If you do not need guideline when reversing, you can leave the red cable unconnected. The seamless loop recording will prevent memory card running out of space. Turning on the G sensor to ensure that the footage will get locked and saved if any sudden break or bump occurs. We recommend adjusting the sensor to the low or medium to avoid creating too many locked video. The car camera will auto turn on and record a short video front and rear if a collision is triggered, which ensures nearly 360 degrees protection when you leave your vehicle unattended. Dedicated hardwire kit is needed for 24-hour parking mode. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.